blue sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike.
Hi guys, it's me again. It's been a while since my last vlog. So today we'll be going to Coron Palawan, but we have a 1 day layover. I mean 2 days papunta at pauwi at Cebu. So yeah, I'll take you with me.
Hi guys, come with us to Palawan.
So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can get a minute made. We can do something new.
So we're here now, we're going to Cebu.
So sweet like a lemonade.
Hi guys, so we're now here at Cebu and we're gonna eat dinner first. We're now here at Cebu and we're gonna eat dinner.
Smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way.
Hi guys, we're off to Busuanga Town. Now magkape sa kami guys.
Makeup's time.
I wonder if I changed my number. Would you wanna know? It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spend summer swimming in a sunset haze. Take me color, crazy how fast.
Hi guys, so we're here at the Island Choo
Palawan dito.
We're done eating guys. We're done eating guys. We're here at Dayo Cafe.
If I can't call you mine.
So, nandyan po yung Dayo Cafe. And here po sila po.
Awkward conversation.
So, we're here at the Cashew Factory. Pasalubong. But no Andre. Hi guys, so it's tour day. It's our first tour here and it's a city tour.
You like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over. Just remember what I told you.
We're here at Tapyas.
Walang ganit na.
Guys!
Kaya pa?
So 500 plus na among nasaka. Kapoy na kalab.
So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can get a minute made. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take time.
Nice, like di siya matagag justice sa camera.
We spend summer.
Hi guys, we're here at the Maquinit Hot Spring. Time check, it's currently 6:14 in the evening and this is our last stop. December!
Pagpasawag ko!
Thank you so much guys!
Can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine.
Day 2. We're going island hopping today. Hi guys, we're here at the park.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you.
Hi guys, so we're lining.
Ayan.
Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No
100 plus steps times 2.
Tara, pag hinay, unya na ng picture.
Backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time.
Guys, we're at Sunset Beach. Picture.
Sunkiss na literal na mapasok.
Go guys!
If all that you say is not true, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days with you.
Happy birthday! Hi guys, we're done eating.
Dugayan ako na agad. Hi guys. Dugayan ako na.
Lately, kinda wishing that a heart just didn't exist. I've been picking up the pieces.
Hi guys, it's our day 3 here and today we're going to be having island hopping again, but it's Tour B. Yesterday we had Tour A.
Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing the line. Hey, how have you been? We're on our way to Central Park again. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems your hands on my thighs. Wait, is this right? 'Cause I'm so in love with you, and I'm not sure if you feel the same. Maybe Central Park will show the way.
So, maybe someone can pray. Let's bless our food.
Move a little faster. What's to lose? So before we fade away, let go of your worries, drop everything in a hurry. Let's go to Central Park today.
Go, go, go!
Let's go to Central Park, you'll
Wala kog lang anak diri.
Kuya, kaya ba yan?
Kuya, ikaw.
Nakabidyo ka lang?
Ha? Oh my God.
Mango shake.
Hi guys, so it's our 4th day And we're going to Calauit Safari and Black Island Lake. Travel time is around 1.5 hours. We're going to the Calauit. We're gonna tabok there. We're gonna ride a boat to go to the Calauit Far Island. So yeah, we're naka-vlogger na legit kaya nag-try po.
Should have ended it and cut you off. Don't want to slip and fall in love, but we connect like what the fuck.
Video lang ko. Init, guys.
Me run. Why is it like this? You give me too much attention. Oh, and you use like a weapon. Oh, is it hell or heaven? Wish I knew.
Hi, Bess. So big that.
Head like this. Okay. Not dangerous yung touch. You can touch the head.
Madlo siya sa kuha.
Saman din naman po. Pero ito pag na-ayos.
Blur in my vision, lead me on with invisible rope. You got me riding on the downward slope, but I keep playing, baby. Here we go, here we go. My eyes don't want.
There's a cave in here.
Oh, and you use it like a weapon.
For sure.
Is it hell or heaven? Wish I knew it. What you doing? You make me crazy like kaleidoscope. Blurring my vision, lead me on with invisible rope. You give me just enough to hold out hope, but I keep playing, baby. Here we go.
Hi guys, so it's our flight papuntang Cebu because we're gonna go home now. And itong na kayo may
Blurring my vision, lead me